It's a very simple, clear song. It's just sweet, 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 sweet.
Steve Quinn has been leading the American Museum of Natural History's bird walks for nearly 30 years, and he uses Central Park to teach participants how to ID birds through the use of field marks, habitat, and song.
There's just no better place to experience wildlife in New York City than in Central Park. It's just a remarkable birding area. Central Park is probably the largest swath of green in a vast area, so the birds concentrate in the park during the day to take shelter, seek water and food. Yeah, I've got another yellow-rumped warbler in this willow, so it seems that they're the predominant bird this morning.
There are more than 50 different species of birds around the park, and Steve can often be heard tracking them by sound.
Yeah, there's a northern water thrush singing, and black and white back here. That weesey, 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 weesey is black and white. So hopefully we'll get looks at these things. Sounds good. Sounds like there might be stuff in. I love bird song. It just adds another dimension to being outdoors. In a forested environment where your visibility is restricted, if you do learn bird song, it's a great tool.
The 8-week birdwatching program takes place during the spring and fall. Everyone from beginners to experts are welcome. Go to amnh.org to find out more information and to sign up for the birdwalks.